once again, safe is boring. So you got to ask yourself, why did the writer write this piece? What am I supposed to make them feel? And make them feel that. Okay? The only way you do that is by loading it up with your truth and making some big, bold choices. All right, I'm going to give you guys some time. We're going to build a set. We're going to go. Okay? Yeah, you want to, I treat a set like the military. Yes, sir, no, sir, stepping in, stepping out, letting people know where you're at. I will be standing right there if you need me. Okay, I don't want to be the first assistant director going, where the hell's my principal actor? What do you mean you don't know where he is? Where'd he go? Time's money here. We got to get this shot off. We're losing the location. We're losing the sun. We got to get to the next location, the next setup. That's why you, the actor, have to be there standing by. Okay, you see that distraction? I give you all that distraction right now? That shit's going to happen. Okay? You can't let any of that distract you. Okay, you just got to be grounded, going through your choices, and when they say we're ready, quiet on the set, you're ready to rock and roll.
Okay. Val, this is not the way to handle this. Mom needs to be able to take care of herself. She's still healthy. She's young.
She's just trying to hold on to us for dear life now that Dad is gone. You can't allow her to make you feel guilty for her state of affairs.
That's unfair. This is a warning. I'm telling you. Before you know it, you're gonna forget everything about your own needs. The things in your life that make it what it is, your dreams, Val, who you are.
You'll get caught up in filling up her days and all of her loneliness. And it's just being abusive to yourself.
It's not like we're gonna disappear from her life forever. We'll still see her. But you gotta fight for your life.
If you won't fight for it, then I will, all right?
Cut.
You're a cop.
Oh my God. I am the coward. You fucked an underling in the House of Commons lift.
Fucked her.
And you're talking to me about cowardice? Unbelievable.
Your girlfriend and your mom would spend every day together. You want that?
Val.
You want your kids to be...
Val, we're gonna send Mom to a retirement home. And that's that, alright?
Goodness, you're heavy as an anchor. Oh. Let's see, let's look in here and see what you got in there.
What?
Yeah, well, that's all right. That's got nothing to do with your disc, is it? How about this? You're good as new, son!
Oh, shit.
Yes, sir. Anytime you need treatment, you just call the old doc, okay?
Wow, all the other doctors just gave me whiskey. You got any?
Oh, absolutely.
I don't think so.
Just think of one time that she's ever done something for you. When has she ever been there for you? Just one time.
She supported me to go away and, travel and
How did she
study.
support you?
She was there, encouraging me to go, and
Totally, because it totally helped her for you to go.
well, now she's glad I'm back, right?
Put up your fourth wall. Put Mom in the room over here. Instead of Mom over here and playing like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what if Mama's over there? Be quiet, Mom's in the other room. What if you're talking to her, but you don't have to stare at her the whole time, and you kind of find this light and see Mom over there sleeping on the fucking couch or whatever, so we, the audience, can see what's going on in your eyes, what's happening.